Nakikita nyo ngayon, naka-open yung Ripple.com website or yung Ripple the company. Okay, the company behind XRP cryptocurrency. Okay, kapag ka-click natin itong 3 lines on the top right, makikita nyo dito guys sa baba, featured case studies, money match. Okay, so going back guys sa money match, okay, kapag nag-search pa tayo ng more information about Money Match, okay? Rethinking Finance, okay? Money Match is a multinational financial technology firm. Ayan na, multinational financial technology firm focusing on international payments, okay? Kaya nagme-make sense talaga na ito yung ginagamit na finance system ng Involve Asia na platform para pasahurin yung mga Involve Asia publishers, okay? So our award-winning digital platform has successfully executed over 2.5 billion Malaysian ringgit in transactions covering cross-border trade payments, okay, and individual remittances. Amazing. We've achieved such rapid success by optimizing our treasury operations with machine learning algorithms and integration with blockchain solutions for swifter disbursement. Okay, so ang galing ng distribution nila, mabilis dahil nga also in partnership sila with I'll say the best global payment system sa buong mundo, yung Ripple nga. Okay, Money Match is expanding globally at a rapid pace with operations in 3 countries with many more to come. Okay, so ito yung mga talagang regulated pa siya. Money Match is regulated by Bank Negara Malaysia, okay, as an approved participant in the financial technology regulatory sandbox. Okay, so habang binabasa ko to, talagang tumitindi yung tiwala ko dito sa Involve Asia affiliate marketing platform. And definitely, given na talaga yung confidence ko dito sa Ripple XRP. Pag chinek nyo yung mga YouTube videos ko guys, talagang matagal na akong nagko-cover and upload ng mga videos and vlogs about information regarding Involve Asia and also Ripple XRP. Okay? Dito naman, we are regulated by OSTRAC as both a remittance network provider and independent remittance dealer with registration number as you can see on the video, okay, or on the screen. Ayan, so Money Match is an approved participant of Brunei Darussalam Central Bank or BDCB Fintech Regulatory Sandbox. Okay, dito naman sa part na to, ito yung tatlong founder or yung core persons na nag-establish ng Money Match. Okay, our story started in 2015, okay, when 3 individuals from diverse backgrounds ranging from investment banking to creative digital marketing shared a vision of introducing solutions that would disrupt talagang talagang halos yung goal nila, yung vision nila halos synonymous sa XRP, sa Ripple XRP. Ganyan na ganyan din yung yung linyahan ng Ripple XRP, oh. Tingnan, shared a vision of introducing solutions that would disrupt the traditional finance industry. Okay? What? Kung hindi ganito yung klase ng pagpapadala ng payment sa atin dito sa Involve Asia affiliate marketing, kung traditional banking yung ginagamit, nako, ang tagal natin bago ma-receive yung mga natin, yung mga sahod natin sa Involve Asia. Matagal na, tapos meron pang extra cost. Ibig sabihin, yung sahod natin na, halimbawa, may sahod ka na 8,000, kakaltasan pa yun kasi nga dadaan sa traditional banking system na malaki yung kaltas for every transaction. Hindi kagaya kapag in-apply mo yung technology, okay, and then yung XRP ledger, okay, pero complicated na yun kasi sa cryptocurrency side of things na yun. Pero ngayon na nababasa ko lahat ng mga information na to, nagme-make sense sa akin kung bakit nagagawa nitong Involve Asia through Money Match na yung wire transfer payment natin, kapag yun yung payment method natin sa Involve Asia, kaya pala walang binabayaran, okay? Exception kasi yung depende kung mas malaki yung amount na sinahod mo, most likely may mga charges yun. Pero kapag ka yung basic lang na sahod na 80 Myanmar and slightly above, ako talaga walang kaltas. Okay, and then yung PayPal, based sa common knowledge ko, alam ko meron siyang applicable fees kasi ibang, kumbaga another third party platform kasi yung PayPal, okay? So yung mga information na yun, kung merong mga charges and fees sa PayPal, pwede nyo yan i-check sa information from the Involve Asia Affiliate Marketing Payment Settings option, okay? Ayun guys, so napakaganda talaga. Money Match is redefining the way people send money abroad. Kung sa Involve Asia Affiliate Marketing setting, magme-make sense yung mga countries na supported or covered ng Involve Asia Affiliate Marketing Platform, okay? Ayan o, finance has not been fair for a very long time. Hidden fees and vague processes often keep customers in the dark. Money Match roots itself in the core belief that people deserve a better cross-border payment service than the status quo. Okay, we're making international money transfers the way it should be. Okay, low cost, simple, and transparent. Yan ang gusto natin. Okay, bago tayo dumako dito sa milestones guys, kailangan din natin i-acknowledge yung mga yung mga tao behind Money Match. Syempre na-research na rin natin 'yan. Okay? Yan, ito yung tatlong nasa picture kanina sa Money Match website, okay? So sila yung nagsimula nitong Money Match finance system, okay? So from the left, okay, Money Match co-founder Neisan Munusami, okay? From the left guys, so yung nakaupo. So yan yung si Mr. Neisan Munusami, and then yung medyo nasa likod, yung CFO na si Raja Adam. Okay, so CFO guys, ang meaning niyan, Chief Financial Officer, okay? Okay, and then yung CEO naman guys, ito si Mr. Adrian Yap. Ayan o, yung nandito na sa may pinakakanan. Okay, so ito yung mga taong nagsimula or nag-build ng foundation ng Money Match, Malaysian fintech startup, okay? Now, disclaimer statement for our Involve Asia and Cryptocurrency YouTube channel. I would like to reiterate that I'm not a financial advisor and all the information on our website is published in good faith and for general information purpose only. Any action that you take upon the information you find on our website, Involve Asia and Cryptocurrency YouTube channel, is strictly at your own risk. So more fruitful gains everyone. I'll see you again on our next vlog. Bye for now.